Hey guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company. To have a very unique item. This is a 2023 John Deere 1025R that has a John Deere factory cab for it from John Deere. It is a drop-on cab to my knowledge. They do have heat in them. It is an all-glass door cab, glass front window, glass rear window. It is an extremely nice cab on a 1025R. The tractor has 6.1 hours on it. It is a brand new tractor. The deck under this tractor is a 2021 year model deck. The deck I took in on trade this summer off of a 1025R that had about 20 hours on it. The gentleman actually wanted a zero-turn mower. He traded in the deck on that. So there's roughly 20-30 hours on this deck. Deck is in very nice shape. It's excellent condition. The tractor has 6 hours on it. The loader bucket, I do believe, was used one time. It is a like new piece. The story behind this, gentleman bought this, wasn't right for his application, and opted to go into something else. Tractor has, so it was sold new January 13th of 2023. Its basic warranty, John Deere calls it, which is its full warranty, is good until January 13th of 2025, which is a 2-year warranty. Emissions warranty for your engine is good until January 13th, 2028. And then it has what's called limited basic warranty, which is powertrain, to my knowledge, through John Deere. That is good until January 13th of 2029. So all that information we went ahead, validated, had, so that we knew we were right. We have keys to the doors. This is a brand new tractor. We haven't serviced it there again because it has 6 hours on it. We did go through and check everything, 100% ready to go to work, and this tractor has warranty. So, and you are going to save thousands upon thousands upon thousands of dollars buying a tractor like this. From what I understand, this cab is almost $5,800, and we're pricing this tractor where most guys are going to be asking just for the tractor loader mower with no cab. So keep that in mind. We're going to start you here underneath the hood. We're going to take you completely around this tractor, just like we do on everything we sell. Today would be no different. On a John Deere here, they just have a little button you push in on the side to release your hood. Push in far enough, it would work. Again, under the hood, brand new tractor. Powered by a 3-cylinder Yanmar diesel engine. There again, starts, runs, works excellent. There is no abnormal anything with this tractor. It is 6 hours on it. It is a cut and dried piece. Level gauge is on the loader. Has the 120R quick attach loader up front with the John Deere style quick attach. If you need pallet forks for this, we have them in stock. We sell them. We got them here. Matt, was that a 54-inch bucket? 54-inch bucket. Again, 2021 John Deere 54D Auto Connect deck, drive over deck. Everything is there and complete. Test run it, which we're going to show you here in a second, is a 2021 deck that we put on this tractor. SMV. Rear lights here on the 4-ways here. Top link, category 1 3-point hitch, 540 PTO. Nothing's ever been on the PTO. Does have here the back window will fold out, which we're going to show you guys all that stuff. Rear view mirror kit is on the tractor. Plastic is on the seat. Matt, I'll let that open for you. So, we have all the locks or keys for the tractor cab. So what they've done in this tractor, they've put a nice heavy mat in here. They've also put this like cold weather pack to try to keep all your air out. It is an extremely nice cab that John Deere has come up with on this tractor. You can see here real quick, the back window is going to open up, okay? Something else they've done nice come summer, you can pop the shock. On this side, that side, you just undo a strap, set your doors off, which is nice. This is going to fold back in. Up front, you have a front window here. I'm going to show you that. It's going to fold right out. And I'm going to go do what Matt did earlier and pinch his finger in there. Folds right out. They even took and put a washer pump right here on the hood, which I found extremely cool. So it has a little washer. So one really cool thing on this, you got your heat up here, which is blowing. You have your little rheostat right here for warmer or cooler air. They've even put in a sunshade, which is really cool. And there's a retract button. I had to think about that. Right there. So inside the cab, it is a very nice sealed up cab. You can see it has a traditional John Deere style headliner like you would see in a big farm tractor. Tilt wheel, you're still going to have your high and low range. You're going to have your mower deck height adjustment. You're going to have your selection of PTO. Joystick loader control is going to be right there. Parking brake. Everything is the same as a traditional 1025R, except for it has this beautiful cab on top of it. So, you know, it's already cold here in Pennsylvania, and it's going to only get colder and snowier, they say. So we'll see what happens. Grill guards on it. Turf tire package, extremely nice piece here. Again, Matt, let's show them on the iron meter so they all see it. 6.1 hours. So we're going to hop in this tractor. I'm going to fire it up here for you. We're going to run it around, see if it does anything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So again, this is going to have everything on it a traditional 1025R is going to have. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and get myself into four-wheel drive for you guys. And we're going to go ahead and get in low range. So, we're in four-wheel drive, and we're backing up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take us out of four-wheel drive, and we're backing up. So that's low range, two-wheel. Go ahead and go to high range. It is a very, very cozy little cab. If you are plowing snow this winter, you want something nice. You're going to set in out of the elements, in the warm, have something that truthfully is going to keep you warm. There's something to look at. This little tractor here is going to hold its resale value also because of having this. So again, it is a 2023 tractor. It still has full warranty. There again, I take the time researching my stuff, so everybody has that information. I like to do that. It's just how we are here. It's hard to argue a 6-hour tractor. But there's guys that do it. I like nice stuff. There's dealers that know I like nice stuff, and that's what we buy. You've got your four ways, upper work lights, and then you also have your turn signals. So again, you got your tilt wheel, and the nice thing in this cab, you can open both sides, which is nice. The heat is very nice. It puts out very, very nice heat. It is a 2-speed fan in that. Again, really, really nice setup. And I'm a bigger guy, and I'm comfortable in there. It is a nice setup from John Deere with that cab. It beats some type of like flimsy, cozy cab or whatever you want to call them. The vinyl side doors, just an extremely nice piece, very well thought out. I think John Deere executed this very well in this particular cab. If you have a snow thrower, if you have a snow blade for one of these, and you want to update tractors, this is something for you to look at. If you can sell yours off and get into something like this, your money ahead. No, I'm not going to split the cab off of it, because how about it, Matt? Tomorrow morning, once this posts, we'll probably have 4 or 5 people wanting to know if we want to sell just the cab off of it. No, we're not interested in doing that, but thanks for asking. I figured we'd get that out of the road first. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. If you need trucking, financing, let us know. We can send you to some people on that. We can take care of the trucking here on our end. If you got any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Yanmar Supply Company. Have a great day.